Good day, everyone. I am Professor Frank. Today, our topic will be on communication process, brand, and image building. Brand communication is not accidental, is systematic, is structured, is strategic. A brand does not simply speak. It encodes meaning. It selects channels. It transmits messages. Consumers decode. They interpret. They respond. This is the communication process. The process includes message creation, channel selection, transmission, reception, interpretation, feedback. Feedback is critical. Without feedback, communication becomes assumption. With feedback, communication becomes adaptive. In today's digital environment, feedback is immediate. Social media comments, reviews, shares, ratings. These signals inform brand managers whether meaning has been understood as intended. Brand image emerges from this process. Brand identity is what the company controls. Brand image is what consumers perceive. This distinction is essential. A company controls its logo, its colors, its tagline, its packaging, its values, but it does not fully control perception. Perception is influenced by consumer experience, word of mouth, media coverage, cultural context. Consider Starbucks. Starbucks communicates quality and community. The in-store experience reinforces this. The digital messaging supports it. The packaging reflects it. The image is coherent. Now consider a failure scenario. If a brand claims sustainability, but is exposed for environmental violations, image collapses. Consistency between identity and action is mandatory. Integrated marketing communication plays a central role here. IMC ensures that all communication channels reinforce the same meaning. Advertising must align with public relations. Social media must align with retail experience. Internal communication must align with external messaging. Apple provides a strong example. Product launches, retail design, website design, advertising visuals, all communicate simplicity and innovation. In Malaysia, Maybank maintains strong brand consistency. Its yellow color scheme, its tiger symbol, its communication tone, all reinforce reliability and strength. The brand communication process must therefore be strategic. Short-term objectives may focus on sales. Long-term objectives focus on image. Strong brands balance both. Immediate promotions generate revenue. Consistent communication builds equity. Brand image building is cumulative. One campaign does not create image. Repeated coherent exposure does. Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up. We now examine positioning through points of parity and points of difference. Positioning answers a central question. How do we compete? Points of parity are category requirements. They are expected standards. Without them, a brand is not considered credible. In the smartphone market, high-resolution cameras are now standard. Fast processors are standard. Touchscreens are standard. These are category points of parity. In Malaysia, online banking applications must provide security features. Without secure authentication, the bank loses credibility. Points of difference create competitive advantage. They differentiate. Tesla differentiates through electric innovation. BMW differentiates through driving performance. Starbucks differentiates through premium experience. Points of difference may be functional or emotional. Functional differences include technology, performance, durability. Emotional differences include prestige, lifestyle, belonging. Nike's association with elite athletes creates emotional differentiation. Jeep's rugged identity differentiates it emotionally from other SUVs. However, differentiation must be credible. If a brand claims innovation, but fails to deliver technological updates, trust erodes. There is also competitive parity. When one competitor introduces a feature, others respond. Touchscreen technology was once a differentiator. Now it is parity. Brands must continuously reassess positioning. Markets evolve. Consumer expectations change. Technology advances. IKEA demonstrates strategic management of parity and difference. It maintains affordable pricing, but differentiates through design and self-assembly experience. In Malaysia, Proton redefined its differentiation after collaboration with Geely. It shifted from affordability alone to perceived technology enhancement. Positioning must also manage trade-offs. Low price often signals low quality. Brands must overcome this perception. Clear communication reduces consumer doubt. Effective positioning requires alignment between communication and product reality. If communication exaggerates difference, consumer disappointment damages equity. Thus, points of parity establish legitimacy. Points of difference establish superiority. Together, they shape brand position. We now turn to brand equity. Brand equity is the added value derived from brand perception. It reflects consumer knowledge, associations, experiences, loyalty. If two products are identical, but one carries a strong brand name, consumers often choose the branded product. This is equity at work. Customer-based brand equity has three core components. First, differential response. If consumers respond differently to the same product because of brand name, equity exists. Second, brand knowledge. This includes awareness and associations. Strong brands create unique and positive associations. Toyota is associated with reliability, Hallmark with care, Nike with performance. Third, behavioral outcomes. Stronger brands command higher prices. They generate loyalty. They resist competitive pressure. Brand equity is both strategic and financial. It affects market share. It affects profitability. Small and medium enterprises must also manage brand equity carefully. Brand elements such as names and logos matter. Packaging can influence perception at point of sale. Innovative packaging sometimes substitutes advertising. Secondary associations also strengthen equity. Celebrity endorsement, country of origin, partnerships. Made in Germany signals engineering precision. Made in Japan signals technological reliability. Brand equity acts as a bridge from past performance to future growth. It is built gradually. It can also be destroyed quickly. Now we examine brand media strategy. Media strategy determines where and how messages are delivered. Traditional media once dominated. Television, radio, print, digital channels now dominate many sectors. Social media, search engines, influencer marketing, content platforms. Red Bull demonstrates advanced media strategy. It creates its own media content. It sponsors extreme sports. It produces documentaries. The brand becomes a content creator. Netflix uses data to personalize recommendations. This improves engagement and retention. Media strategy must align with target audience behavior. If targeting youth in Malaysia, TikTok and Instagram may be effective. If targeting professionals, LinkedIn may be more appropriate. Media planning must consider reach, frequency, budget constraints. Media strategy is dynamic. Consumer behavior evolves. Technology evolves. A static strategy becomes obsolete. In conclusion, we can say that the communication process builds understanding. Points of parity establish credibility. Points of difference create advantage. Brand equity captures value. Media strategy delivers the message. These components are interconnected. A weak communication process undermines positioning. Poor positioning weakens equity. Weak equity reduces pricing power. As undergraduate and postgraduate students, you must critically assess alignment. Is communication consistent with positioning? Are points of difference credible? Is media strategy aligned with audience behavior? Does brand equity translate into financial strength? Strong brands integrate process, positioning, equity, and media. Brand building is strategic discipline. Please subscribe to my channel to receive more lecture contents like this. Don't forget to like and share this video with your class. Thank you.